DIVEDEER 15000Pa Smart Cordless Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner 3-in-1 Floor Mop. Vacuum. Self-cleaning washer, ultra-powerful and quiet. Revolutionize your cleaning routine with the DIVEDEER Smart Cordless Floor Cleaner, a powerful 3-in-1 solution that vacuums, mops, and self-cleans, all without cords or hassle. Designed for modern homes, this wet, dry vacuum delivers 15,000 pascals of powerful suction, high-frequency mopping, and advanced anti-tangle tech to keep your floors spotless and your hands clean. Whether you're tackling hair, pet messes, dust, or liquid spills, the DIVEDEER floor washer is built for efficiency, hygiene, and simplicity. Key features: 15,000 pascals strong suction power. Easily removes wet and dry messes, pet hair, and fine particles. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, living rooms, and pet areas. Leaves floors instantly clean and nearly dry, no water streaks left behind. Innovative double scraper design. Dual action scraper. Combs first, scrapes second. Prevents roller brush from getting tangled with hair. Keeps the mop automatically clean throughout use. 110,000 RPM brushless motor. Ultra fast and energy efficient for powerful floor scrubbing. Long motor life with less wear and tear. Ensures deep, even cleaning without excess pressure. No speaking, quiet operation. Only 64 decibels. Advanced noise reduction system for quiet cleaning. Clean while babies sleep or pets relax, no disruptions. Ideal for early mornings or late night touch-ups. Cordless and long battery life. Up to 40 minutes of runtime per charge. Clean areas up to 200 square meters, 2,150 plus square ft, without stopping. No cords, no outlets, just grab and go. Automatic self-cleaning system. One button cleaning flushes out roller brush and inner tubes. Keeps hands away from dirty water and grime. Ensures hygienic performance after every use. Ideal for daily maintenance and deep cleaning. Households with kids or pets. Hard surfaces. Tile, vinyl, marble, laminate, and sealed hardwood. Cleaning wet spills, footprints, crumbs, hair, and dust. What's included? DIVEDEER Wet, Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Charging dock, clean water tank and dirty water tank. Roller brush installed. Cleaning tool. User manual. Specifications. Feature details. Suction power 15,000 pascals. Motor speed 110,000 RPM. Brushless, battery life up to 40 minutes. Noise level is less than or equal to 64 decibels. Coverage area up to 200 square meters. Approximately equals 2,150 square feet. Cleaning modes: vacuum plus mop plus self-cleaning. Tank system dual. Clean and dirty separation. Weight lightweight and portable. Usage tips. Charge fully before first use. Always empty the dirty water tank after cleaning. Use self-cleaning mode after each session to maintain hygiene. Avoid using on unsealed wood or carpeted surfaces.